What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we have this Deep Blue by Rosalind Polygel. And you guys, I love the color. It is like, I don't really know. I know I always say this. I don't really know how to describe it. I don't. It's just it's like a really normal, traditional blue, but it has this hint of like savory, deep blue to it, even though it looks pretty much kind of like just a regular blue. So anyways, you guys are gonna see, we're gonna swatch it out, and yeah, I loved it. So we're gonna create a little half set, not a full set with this color. Actually, I had used this like previously. I did a set. It was a short set. It turned out super cute. Maybe I'll have to show it in the photos on Instagram when I create the post for this set. But I had done I had done 5 fingers, and I planned to record the other 5 fingers, but I never got around to doing it, and the other ones had already popped off. So I was like, I'm just going to recreate the same set, but make it like a little bit different, or maybe like a longer version. So I did create a version with the with square shape. So you guys are going to see that I used the dual forms from the Jaws Love Polygel kit. And right here I'm just showing you guys basically how I prep my natural nails for filming. I do have a video that specifically shows how I do this and goes into detail on it. I will go ahead and link it down below. I'll also try to remember to link it in the cards and in my blog post that I'm going to post with this video. But yeah, I just had some cuticle oil on my nail beds, kind of like rubbed it in really good. I didn't prep my cuticles or anything like that. That's why they look a little janky. And in the final result, honestly, it was a regret. But I did not want to keep these nails on. I wanted to pop them off because I wanted to create more videos for you guys. So we are going to be using Model 1s in this video as well. For the design, I did do kind of like the little thing where you'll put the gel polish and then you'll cover it with acrylic powder, like clear acrylic powder, and then you will go ahead and cure after that, and then you brush off the excess acrylic powder, and then it looks kind of like a raised design. And for our polygel, I am just going to be using rubbing alcohol. You can use 70%, 90%, whatever you choose. I don't really have a preference, especially if I'm doing it with the dual forms. Just whatever keeps the polygel from sticking to the brush. And on a couple of the fingers, I didn't use a lot of product. And then on the rest of the fingers, I ended up using a little bit more product. And I don't really know. I know the pinky finger, the shape was not perfect. So it is a little tricky working with the dual forms for the square shape. And the reason for that is because you do kind of want to try to keep the C curve in the nail. But at the same time, you have to make sure that the sidewalls are thick enough, or else it will not give a perfect square vibe. So there is a learning curve on the dual form method, but I'm really still so excited to have these square dual forms. Low-key wish they were longer, because every time I finish a set with these, I'm always like, they're cute. I just wish they were like a little longer, because who doesn't love long nails? I know I do. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here on my video. Thank you so much for showing love by liking this video if you found interest into it, because then more people can find my channel. And a lot of people are always ranting about like algorithms online and stuff like that. And low-key, you guys, it's tough. Like, you got to really try your best to get into the algorithm. And I try to promote myself as much as possible, and I still feel like I don't really do it enough. So if you are interested in my videos and you would like to be notified whenever I post again, then go ahead and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And also drop a comment down below and let me know who you are, where are you coming in from. Like, you know, we got Orlando in this B, we got, you know, Detroit. No, literally, guys, a lot of my viewers are like not even from my country, which is so insane because when you think about like days and times to post, it would be cool to take other countries into consideration too. So there must be like certain prime hours where like it's the good time in like so many countries at once. So I've been doing market research very often as well. And there's a lot of work that goes in on the back end. So I do want to be doing a giveaway soon. Actually, guys, while we're in this video and you guys are just seeing me do this little dual form method, I will try to go ahead and include in the description box and in my blog post a few videos that I have done before with these dual forms, or maybe just a couple. There might only be one video with these, but I will be using them more. The next video that I'm going to show you guys, or one of the next videos at least, is going to be another Rosalind set. And I actually use Rosalind and Model 1s. I had a design idea that I really wanted to try out, and it came out super cute. And I was like, okay, but I already know how I wanted to make it even better. So I just put together a super quick video, and so you guys will be able to see that. But anyways, super major shout outs to all of my supporters. I am going to be doing another giveaway very, very, very soon. I definitely wanted it to be for the entire month of September. I am almost kind of sort of still shooting that target. I do want to. It's just that I feel so overwhelmed by like everything is a journey, and it's also about the pace. And when you want to speed up, you can, but it's also like there's a beauty in just going slow and taking your time. But I definitely owe you guys a giveaway because I got, my subscriber count and my monetization status, and I told you guys to thank you so much for all of the support, that I was definitely going to be doing a giveaway, and it was going to be super epic. And that leads me to my next little bit that I want to share with you guys. Shout out to at least 2 of my subscribers that I know of have reached out to Rosalind, and they have gotten product for Rosalind to try on their YouTube channels and on their Instagrams. So shout out to you guys. That is so legit. I'm so happy for you guys. It just means the world to me that I'm able to make a positive impact. This is a community where if you serve and if you can, be humble and really see the vision for the greater good of the whole community, then you really will thrive. And I feel that, that feeling of like, wow, I really did something positive to bless somebody. And it really wasn't a whole lot, but the feeling of just being able to bridge those gaps, it really means a lot. So thank you guys for all of your continued support and for everything. I'm just so thankful. It's been a wonderful journey. So here on the video, I did not file on camera. Sometimes I like to file outside so I don't have to clean up a mess. So that's usually what I do. But the filing is super easy and simple with this dual form method. As you guys can see, my pinky looks like a coffin and all the other ones look like a square. But we're going to act like that didn't even happen because I think I probably just filed it too much. But anyways, I didn't really know what to do. Lately, I have had like a creator's block, but it doesn't feel like a block. It just feels like I see so many different things all the time, and I just want to try them one by one. I'll do this and I'll do that, and I'll be like, okay, this is the outcome and that's the outcome. And kind of just learning and experimenting. So that's what I did on this set, and I don't really know what to think. Like, you guys, if you could see the behind the scenes footage of this, like, imagine if I was live. I made a million mistakes, and I was all over the place, but it was all for experimentational fun. And my next Rosalind set that you guys see, it's also like, oh, these ideas are really cool. Like, I really like them. But I didn't really complete the set. And that's kind of how I felt about this one. It's like, it was cute and it was cool. The ideas were cool. But because I have never done a lot of these designs, like for this nail in particular, I was supposed to add a shiny base coat gel. A shiny top coat gel. And then add my gel polish and then add my acrylic powder, because now I had to basically go around the matted part with the shiny top coat because I forgot to top coat it in advance. So just little learning curves like that really make a big difference. Also, I was a little bit like, I just want to hurry up and get this done because I wanted to really try the design that I did in the next video, which you guys are going to see because I did this one and then I did that one. So stay tuned for that Rosalind video coming up soon. By the way, you guys, drop a comment down below and let me know how you're going to be enjoying hearing from me literally every single day. It's definitely like a huge shift for me. I only talk to a few people every day, and they're like people that are super close to me, so I never imagined being on YouTube every single day. But when you do get monetized, then you really have to focus on trying to get as much traffic to your channel as possible. And one way to do that is to upload daily. And so I'm going to be trying it out, and I'm hoping it goes well. And thank you guys again for being here. I already said it before, but I am really thankful because this journey can get pretty discouraging, and you can just be like, oh, this hobby is cool, but it's costing me a lot of money, it's costing me a lot of time. And I have kind of felt like that, like, I don't know if I should keep doing this, but that's when you definitely need to keep doing it because you're barely there, and those negative thoughts love to come up when you're like on the brink of a new level of success. And that's how it feels. Like, I've been learning a lot of stuff, and I know that if I just activate my secret powers, or in other words, get out of my own way, that I can be really successful. And so I definitely want to focus on that. That's one reason why I have started to say, well, I need to go ahead and post blogs, posts for each of these, just so that I can give you guys like a behind the scenes feel, or like talk to you guys about stuff that's like, oh, this is what inspired this, that stuff that I don't necessarily always get to remember to talk about on the voiceovers, or not even that, but like just to have my journey documented on my website, and to have a place where if new people come, that they can say, wow, I really am interested in this, or I never knew that. It's kind of like a backlog of, everything. So I'm going to be getting more into that. It's definitely been quite the journey, you guys. I don't know how to describe it, but I do know that it's been very nice, and I'm very happy. And I'm very thankful for instance, Rosalind and a lot of the other collaboration opportunities that I have had. They have been very pleasant. Everyone is very patient and understanding. And they also, the brands really give me ideas, and I really get to like be inspired by them. So it works out very nicely because at the same time I have my audience and you guys are being inspired. So shout out to you guys. You guys will be seeing details soon of a giveaway, and I have really been putting a lot of thought into it. I'm super, super, super excited. There's just that for my for my giveaway, I really want there to be a lot of interaction, and I want it all to take place on my blog so that I can really make this giveaway like super legit and special. I take it very to heart when I do things for other people, especially because you guys contact me. You're like, OMG, thank you so much, or this is how you positively impacted me, or this is the, outcome of that thing that you did that one time, or like, oh, you did this and so I tried it. And that is what makes it really worth it, especially when it's like, girlfriend, I'm not gonna check, okay, this is a hobby, it's not my occupation, although it could be, and I would love for it to be. Even then, it's still an uphill battle because you got to go to the next level and the next level. So the most important thing along that journey is building up your following and really having sincere relationships with the people that you are, interacting with and things like that. So those are some things that have been on my mind. You guys are going to see lots more, I promise. I know I'm like a little tortoise, or like a little a snail. And that's fine, like a little turtle or something. That's fine. But I like to take my time because I can give you guys the best of me. And so that's what this is all about. But you guys, what do you think about this zebra print? Because I'm low-key like really addicted to it. I want to do another nail set with the zebra print, but like even better. And you guys, soon I'm going to be filming a lot. So you guys are going to be seeing me just pop out like nail design ideas. Kind of like Nails by Key. Oh my gosh, I love her. And when she first started, I would see her. I had to stop watching her because I was like, girl, how do you do it? You be on this junk. Like she goes hard in the paint. So I'm going to go into like my little Nails by Key moment and just start popping out designs for you guys. And that's actually, after this voiceover, I'm gonna be filming some product by Madam Glam that I'm really excited about. And I'm really super, super, super excited for the set that I'm gonna create. I have a boatload of products that I need to be unboxing. And so you guys are gonna be quite entertained with what I have in store for you guys. But anyways, this is the overall set. Do not judge me. If you want to judge me, please roast me in the comments. It's fine. I'm not even going to go anywhere. Like, I'm just going to stand here and take the heat because, girl, first off, like, what is this? It looks okay. They look okay. Originally, I did want to add some bling, but I was like, man, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. But no, I didn't go to bed. I had to film the next video. But anyways, so let me know what you guys think. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning into my videos. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. And you can shop these Rosalind products on Amazon.com. I will leave a link in the description. Bye, guys.